That is the drone. That's yawing. That's the throttle. This is your pitch and your roll. Roll because it's rolling. Pitch because it's pitching. You got your throttle and your yaw. So you have your throttle, your yaw, your pitch, and your roll. To turn, you want to yaw and roll roughly. Take off by adding throttle and going forward by pitching forward. Assuming you're flying in acro mode, which is the only way to really fly, is when you throttle up, pitch forward, it's just going to stay that way in acro mode. So if you were to pitch backward, it would slow down and go the other way. You can roll as well, and you can also balance your drone in place, and that's the hardest thing to do, is to actually keep your drone in one spot by just pitching and rolling and throttling at the same time to keep your drone in the air. So you throttle and pitch and roll to your desires to have the drone move where you'd like it to move. And you add yaw to it as well to spin around, yawing.